spread in the air. Bridges already blown. The last ghost step is going out. The days we're getting longer and longer, but my days were still going on and on and on. I got wet in the sun shower. I looked up at the night sky. It was quite a lonely night. In the blink of an eye, the dark faded out. Coming under the sunlight, memories with me and you. All these years are colored in by you. All these times are precious to you. 4 seasons I passed free.
A luxurious living room, tastefully decorated with a mix of modern and classic elements. Jungkook sits on the plush couch, deeply engrossed in his work on his laptop. The atmosphere is quiet with the occasional click of the keyboard. Vine enters the room, her face glowing with happiness. Vine cheerfully, Jungkook, you won't believe it. I just ran into Inwoo outside. He's here to visit. Jungkook briefly glances up, his face emotionless before returning to his screen. Jungkook only. That's good. Vine excitement dims at his indifferent response, but she tries not to let it show. She lingers, hoping for more from him, but his attention is completely absorbed by his work. She feels a pang of disappointment, but forces herself to remain cheerful. Why? I will go welcome him in. It's been a while since we all hang out together. Jungkook is still typing currently. Sure, whatever you want. Vine's smile fades as she turns to leave, feeling the emotional distance between them like a cold breeze. She hesitates for a moment, then exits the room, her earlier happiness now thanked with a hint of sadness. The garden outside the house, where Invo and Vine are standing near a blooming flower bed. They are laughing and reminiscing about old times. Jungkook stands at distance, watching them through the large glass door, his eyes narrowing as he sees Vine's joyful expressions. Anu laughing. Remember that time we got lost on our trip? You were so freaked out. Vine giggling. How could I forget? I was so sure we will never find our way back. You made everything an adventure. Jungkook grip tightens around the door frame as he watched Vine laugh freely with Invo, a shrug of jealousy fluttering in his chest. He couldn't help but notice how Invo's presence brings out a side of Vine that he rarely sees anymore, a side he misses deeply. Jungkook, why does she only smile like that with him? Unable to bear it any longer, Jungkook stepped outside, his face set in a hard line. Inu noticed him approaching and greets him with a friendly smile. Obliviously to the storm brewing inside Jungkook. Inu cheerfully, hey Jungkook, we were just talking about Jungkook, cutting him off, voice icy. No, don't you have somewhere else to be? Jungkook gives a curt nod, his eyes not leaving Vine. Invo quickly says his goodbye, sensing that it's best to leave. Vine watching go, feeling the weight of Jungkook's intense gaze on her. Vine softly looking up at Jungkook. Jungkook, what's wrong? Jungkook doesn't respond immediately. Instead, he steps closer, his jealousy and possessiveness evident in his darkened eyes. The The master bedroom, dimly lit with the soft, warm lighting, Jungkook and Vine stand facing each other, the air thick with unspoken emotions. Jungkook cold tremor cracks as he finally let his jealousy show. Jungkook voice low strained. Do you enjoy spending time with him, Vine? Vine confused. What? Invu, he's just a friend, Jungkook. Why are you acting like this? Jungkook stepped closer, his eyes burning into hers, filled with a mix of anger and longing. Jungkook intensely. I saw the way you smile at him. You never smile like this, like that with me anymore. Once taken aback, realizing the depth of his jealousy, she reached out to touch his arm, trying to soothe him. One gentle, Jungkook, you are the one I love. Unu is just a friend. You have been so distant lately. I miss you. Jungkook's expression softened slightly as her world hit him. He cupped her face in his hand, his thumb bursting against her cheeks. Jungkook, I don't want to lose you, Vine. The thought of you being happier with someone else, it drives me crazy. Vine heart ached as his confession. She wrapped her arm around his neck, pulling him closer. Vine, you will never lose me, Jungkook. I'm yours, only yours. Tension between them shifted as Jungkook's jealousy turned into a desperate need to prove his love. He kissed her deeply, pouring all of his pent-up emotion into the kiss. Vine responded with equal passion, matching his intensity as they moved towards bed. The master bedroom now bathed in the soft glow of the moonlight, filtering through the curtains. Jungkook and Vine are laying together in the bed, their bodies entwined, breaths mingling as they come down from the intensity of their lovemaking. The earlier tension has melted away, leaving only tenderness and love. Jungkook softly brushing a strand of hair from her face. I'm sorry for being cold, Vine. I have been a fool to push you away. Vine, smiling warmly. You don't have to apologize. I just want us to be closer like we used to be. Jungkook sincerely. We will be. I promise. Vine snuggles closer to him, feeling his warmth surround her. Jungkook held her tightly, his heart swelling with a renewed sense of love and commitment. Vine whispering, I love you, Jungkook. Jungkook kissing her forehead. I love you more than anything, Vine. They fall asleep in each other's arms, the night air filled with the quiet promises of a new beginning where love conquers even the coldest of heart. The end. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and like my videos. And if you guys want to watch more fiction, just go to my channel and watch them. There is a lot of fiction I create. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.